Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're going to give you some tips and tricks, and we're going to show you how you can start your own business online like I did. I started probably about 2015 of going full-time online. That meant making my social media videos and selling my own products online. So, what did I do? Now, first and foremost, to be able to sell products online, you have to be able to have products to sell. And the first and most important thing was finding a supplier. Now, the best suppliers obviously are going to be in China. They're the guys who make everything. But it wasn't as easy as you would think back in 2015 to find a reputable representative who can get you what you need, a supplier basically. Well, that's where I found a website that absolutely does it for me. It's called Made in China, madeinchina.com. And you know what? You can get the best products around. Now for me, the first thing I picked up were little dermatology kits. I got 2,000 of them for $1 each, so $2,000. And then I was able to sell them online for $14.99, which netted me about an $8 profit once I paid for shipping and everything, locally, the website and everything, profit about $8 each. So that $8 each made me $16,000. So it was pretty cool. And this website helps you get to suppliers who can get you the exact products at the right prices to where you can turn a profit. And it's surprising how much you can profit and you can customize individual products just for you. So if you're looking to make that dermatology kit or that Christmas gift or whatever it is, they got your back. Now just on the website itself, promotional gifts, terminals, car parts, tents, furniture, etc., etc. They pretty much make everything in China, right? So the next thing that I did came up to be Christmas. I said, you know what? I'm gonna spend, I think it was about $70,000, $80,000 because I found a very popular teddy bear style that I wanted to get out there. Wanted to make it a little bit custom. Wanted to get a hold of a supplier. And then for Christmas, I knew that I could sell them because you know what? Toys sell like crazy for Christmas. So there was a big markup on those. I was spending about $15, $20 a bear, and I was selling them for $70 plus shipping. So again, I made some big bucks, over $100,000, because I found a supplier and then I sold it locally. Now, what was really cool is, you know, I can get things shipped out very easily, very efficiently, and they can turn around very quickly. But the product, getting that has always been the hard part, again, until now. And the key is getting a website or contract or supplier that you can truly trust. Because frankly, back in the day, you were calling people, you were emailing people, and you never knew who you were working with. You didn't know what language they spoke. It was much harder 10 years ago to get started on this sort of business. And now, thanks to Made in China, you can connect with suppliers, you can connect and get the products you want, and you can get the price that you want to make a pretty sweet profit. And frankly, now is the time. Get that product line started, and that way, coming into the Christmas season, which will sneak up on you, you can have all the products ready to ship, ready to go, and you're gonna be skyrocketing in sales. And for me, I've been able to use that. I think my peak is about $30,000, $40,000 a month in sales, but when it comes down to it, that's about $20,000 a month in profit just from the items that I sell online. So it really, as a side hustle, became very profitable for me, right? It's something that once I get the items ordered, then I ship them out to the distributor. All I have to do is advertise them. I'm not doing much work on a daily basis, so it's the passive income that we've all wanted, and you can get too. I would start with one order. When that one works out, go to a little bit bigger, go to a little bit bigger. We wound up doing things like supplements, we wound up doing Christmas supplies, we wound up doing even Christmas trees, and of course, like I said, it all started with the dermatology kit. That was $1 a piece that I bought 2,000 of. You don't have to buy that many, but you can work your way up and pretty soon you're making some significant bucks. So you're probably wondering, how hard is it to use a website like this? Is this really that challenging? And no, this is really straightforward. It's got a very user-friendly interface. And say I want to go get consumer electronics. Let's say I want to get earphones. I go through, oh, that headset looks nice. They can price it to me for $10 to $14 each. If I get one, obviously I'll contact the supplier and I'll be like, hey, can I get 10 of these? Can I get 100 of these? Can I get 1,000 of these? This one says it has a low MOQ, which means I don't have to get a bunch of them. You can customize them. In many cases, you can talk to the supplier and say, hey, I want to get a little decal on them. I want to get special packaging. I want to customize them a certain way. And they can do that for you. So this is a Bluetooth 5.3, so it's the latest technology there. It's a headphone with mic, wireless headset for truck drivers. Absolutely perfect. I could even market them for YouTubers or social media people. Got that USB-C on the side. Now this is just one example of thousands and thousands they have on here. So then you can chat or contact the supplier directly, put in your email address, and you're good to go. You can say, hey, I want to buy 100 of these at $10 each, and you negotiate that basically. They give you the contact, all the information, and you can even product search, filter, everything about it. I would like to get, let's say, a DJ headset. Maybe that's what I want to get. And there's a lot of different ways that you can sort stereo headset, Bluetooth headset, everything in between. You can filter it down. There's so much different stuff you can do. Supplier lists, audited factory, etc., etc. And yeah, this gives you a big bunch of options, and you can contact and get exactly what you need at the price point that's best for you. It's really a smart design. And yeah, the fact that this is a impressive and reputable company that stands behind it, it's designed to connect buyers with suppliers. Now let me go ahead and show you something that's very important right here. It says it's audited, and you can click on that and you can see the entire company audit. You can even go there and book a factory tour. In fact, I am legitimately going to a power station company next week thanks to one of these. You can see the products being made. You can see the people who are making them. And you know what the thing is? Some of these companies are so dang impressive, it's going to blow your mind. Like, these are major, major factories that are turning out the same stuff you're getting from your big brands. So it gives you the terms of payment, where the markets are, a company biography written in English, their main products that they sell, and look at this, all the certificates. So you can see it's an audited supplier. Oh, Shenzhen, I've been there. ATC certificate. So you know this is a legit big time company that you're getting this from, and they're able to customize things just for you. Yeah, I've probably seen this company at CES last year. So this is really fun. And unlike other websites, you can actually see the information about the company that you're dealing with. You can see, oh man, I can get one of these water resistant boom boxes for $12 each. That's interesting. Tell me about the company themselves. Tell me about their audit. How are they doing? So, and you can even learn a little bit and chat with the supplier directly, send them a message, and they will get back to you just about immediately. So Carmen and I can contact, and this is completely audited. It's a Diamond member that's been worked with a bunch of times. It tells you what country they're from and everything in between. Something else that'll blow your mind, not only can you book a factory tour, but you can take a virtual tour. And I've been in some of these factories. I've been in 3 or 4 of them now. We went to China last August, and we're going again here in April, I believe it is, May, excuse me. And you can actually do a virtual tour of the facility. You can see Office 1, Office 3. And I think there is a little bit of, Americans don't realize how advanced some of these businesses are and how nice the working conditions are. But yeah, you can get a complete tour. Here, this looks like a playground right outside. It looks like they're doing some activities. So you can actually go there, see the office itself, and then when you're done with the office, have that negotiation with the vendor. So this is really, really cool. I've never seen a website like this till today. You can get unbeatable prices, and there's just nothing like it. And yeah, you can chat in real time with the supplier. Just very cool. All right, folks, so I'm not here to brag, but I've done very well doing this sort of thing. I run a travel channel, World's Greatest Adventures, and I travel all around the world just because I like to do it, and because I have the time to do it, because I'm able to order these products online, have them shipped out, and then not be working my 9 to 5, sitting in a desk chair all day. This does the work for me. It's really fantastic. You can contact people in your language. It's very easy to use. It's convenient. I don't know what else to tell you, folks. There's so much here for you if you're somebody who wants to start your own business from home. If you want to grow your actual business, if you want to have customized items for your store, there's 1,000 reasons why you would need suppliers in China. Also, there's some really cool market trends on here. I won't get into every aspect, but they'll tell you, hey, did you know the next big thing is X, Y, or Z? Wouldn't it be cool if you were the first person to tell the American audience, hey, did you know air fryers are gonna be big, like 5 years ago? Or if you were the first person who was like, hey, do you need an ice machine? Or do you need whatever the next big thing is? Because they can help you figure out what doesn't the American audience have. Do you wish you were the first guy who 5 years ago came in and said, hey, I'm gonna start selling e-bikes? Why? Because nobody has e-bikes yet, and pretty soon everyone's gonna want an e-bike. Everyone's gonna want an electric scooter. Everyone's gonna want a hoverboard, whatever it is. If you get in on those trends early, you can make a lot of money and then get out and vacation a little bit. So folks, this is a great solution, and it's a very reputable website. I love the fact that they'll show you diamond members, secure trading, audited. They'll show you who you're dealing with, and you'll have a very transparent interaction with a reputable company somewhere across the world that's actually making the product. So whether you want to make a designer watch, you want to make a custom baseball cap, or you want to remarket some headphones, I tell you what, there's so much that you can do here. Travel cameras, door locks, electronics, literally thousands and thousands of things. And I know I probably didn't spend enough time on this video showing you all the different types of products that are for sale, but basically if it's made, you can buy it on this website, and that's a very cool aspect as well. So folks, this website solves problems. That's the bottom line. If you're looking to sell a product and you want the absolute best price, don't be middleman. Don't have some guy who's just buying it from a factory and selling it to you and taking a cut. The only way you're gonna make it in this market today is with customized items at rock bottom prices, and that's how you get it. You know, if you've got the opportunity to get the lowest price because you're getting it from the manufacturer, you're able to ship it out and you're able to make a pretty good profit. Like I said, that first item I bought, they were $1 each. I bought 2,000 of them. And I was able to sell them for, I think, depending on the day and the season, about $15.99 each. That was a pretty good profit for my first item. Folks, it's time to go pick it up. It's time to go check this out. These guys are absolutely fantastic. I know you're gonna love it. They have our full backing, very reputable, very cool website that you're gonna love. We'll put all the links and information in the description below. Go ahead and check that. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.